క్లస్టర్ రన్ అవుతుందా?
df.show under columns. మనం బ్రాకెట్స్ పెట్టాలి. అదే మ్యాగన్ కోడ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాం.
Yes guys, once cluster running that, go is to create the data frame. CSV files, so dbfs లో did you put the file?
కలెక్టర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎలా బ్రాకెట్స్ పెడతాం అలాగే.
Did you put the dcls.csv files into dbfs?
CSV file లో df
hello
CSV file execute.
hello
CSV అరే దొరుకుతున్నా.
Did you put the sales.csv files into dbfs? Did you put that customers.c text file into dbfs? Did you put the customers.tsv file into dbfs?
Yes sir.
Yes, create the data frame for the CSV file.
Okay sir.
Same syntax, read.json బదులు read.csv. My data frame is equal to start1 dot read dot write read dot csv write and give the path of where is the csv file store write dbfs path tables write inside that tables you can give the file path name. So first check that. Write dbfs file in right, open that dbfs, check the file is there or not. Go to the dbfs, upload the file into dbfs. Which files you want to enter this path? The file should be in the dbfs. I want to create the data frame for which file? Right? That file you can upload into dbfs. Upload, click to browse. What are the data sets? Sales.csv, sales.json, you upload it, and whatever that right? You can upload into DBFS,
Yes, sir.
right? Cells without header. File also upload into DBFS. Then upload, right? And upload the customers.tsv, customers.txt file. Column names file lo unte, right? CSV file lo info schema is equal to true తీసుకోవాలి. Header also is equal to, you can take true. Okay, guys. Now,
Yes, sir.
see that now I am creating the data frame, right? How to execute this cell? Box red shortcut. Yes. Oh, right. I need to run from the beginning statement. Data frame Spark Station library is a mandatory. Right, create the object for the data frame. Spark Station ka object is Spark1. Execute that, right, again from the beginning. Here, once Spark object created for the Spark Station. For RDDs, we are using Spark Context, right? But here, what is that Spark Station? I imported builder app name. Right, why I am using here which language? I don't want, right? We are using Python, right? Now let's run it. Right now, created. Now I'll create the data frame. Right, execute it. Okay, so what is that? So CSV spark1.read.csv. Oh, got unexpected keyword header. So header is equal to true. Info schema is equal to true. Let's all of you check that. Create a data frame. Column names ఉన్నాయి చూడండి సేల్స్మెన్ CSV లో. Column names ఉంటే info schema true. Header should be true. Okay, understood. Info schema is true. Yes, we are missing that. Here double quotations, guys. Here true is the double quotations. All right. Yeah, right. True is equal to, right. Column names are there, kada. Salesman CSV law. Column names are there or not in the salesman CSV? Then you can execute that again. Shift enter. All right. H is a small letter. H is not caps letter. Like this. Now let's run it. Yeah. Here now, so right, data frame is creating. I given the data frame name is mydf, right? Now I want to see the data frame data. What is my data frame? Mydf dot show and execute that. See that now you got the successfully data frame is created in the memory. All of you see that now I got it. Clear? CSV files key, you need to create like this. So your CSV file has headers ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి info schema true, header true. అదే CSV file లో కాలమ్ నేమ్స్ లేకపోతే then info schema false, headers false. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, create చేశారా? guys done? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here, when you want to analyze the data frame, so when you write the query language, you must use that always. So now you create a data frame. I want to retrieve the data from the data frame. To analyze the data frame, what are the languages are available in Spark, guys? To analyze the data frame, what are the languages for you to analyze the data frame? What are the languages available? నిన్న క్లాస్ చెప్పింది నిన్న క్లాస్ కూడా క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పలేదా DSL, Spark SQL, iQuery language. You have three options to analyze the data frame. Here I want to analyze my data frame. My data frame name is MyDF, and right you can mention what is the data you want to retrieve the data. So I can mention select. So normally DSL 100% SQL query language ఉండదు. So compulsory మనం DSL standard గా చేయాలి. So mydf dot select, and what column data you want to retrieve, that salesman ID, or which column you want. I want name, guys. Then dot show, analyzing the data frame is my data frame, and I'm showing the results. Execute this. See, now I got the data. I'm retrieving the name column from the data frame, my dear. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is a DSL, but this is not a pure SQL query language. DSL analysis always like this sum. If you want to retrieve the two columns from the data frame, like this, your data frame name dot select of your data frame of which column you want to retrieve that, you can mention that two columns in the square brackets with the data frame of that. Okay, so when you want to retrieve the two columns from the data frame, then mydf dot right select, guys, mydf, and what is the columns you want to retrieve? Name CT kavali from this data frame. Then take the name, right next, right, what is the column you want? Right, again mydf and square bracket, I want CT column. Then you can use right show function. I am retrieving the two columns from the data frame. See it now? This is a way to analyze the data frame with the DSL. What is the full form of DSL? Much fair. In the class. Data, what is the DSL? Okay, data frame structured language. Yes, run it, you got the output. If you want to retrieve the two columns from the data frame, this with the DSL, right? This is the way to run the queries. guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want to take this output into this results I want to take into another data frame, obviously my df2 is equal to, right? Now where is my output now? What is my output data frame here? Guys, where is my output now? Respond on the control. Where is my output data frame? I am taking the output of analyzing my data frame. I am taking the results into the which data frame?
My df2.
My
df2.
df2. Then run it and see the output results in the my data frame 2. If this output data frame is required data, I will apply the action to save into the DBFS. Tell me which data frame I want to save to DBFS. Right? Which data frame I need to save to DBFS?
My df2.
My df2 dot write dot. I want to save into DBFS into the as a CSV file ga store avali my results. Right? So DBFS path file store write file store slash tables right slash tables slash right. I want to take this output results into data frame to save into DBFS as a I'm giving the file name rama.csv. Then see the output data frame I'm saving to DBFS as a rama.csv file. Got it. Now go to DBFS bar right and check that your output file came into DBFS as a rama.tsc. Check that all of you. Once analyze the data frame, output results you can take into the another data frame. Show delete just call, isn't it? So in the country you want to take the output results to another data frame. So my df2 right, I want to save this result to DBFS as a flat file. I'm giving the rama.csv. Then guys,
Yes, sir, done, sir.
got it?
Yes, sir.
So this right, if you want to analyze the data frame, filter conditional analyze challenge, right? Data frame name dot filter. Which data frame you want to analyze it? Customer, whatever data frame name, conditional analyze చేసుకోవాలంటే data frame. It's a DSLA, it's not a pure Spark SQL query language. DSL తో మనం అనలైజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఇలా ఫాలో అవ్వాలి సింటాక్స్ DSL. ఏ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ ఆ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ అనలైజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఫిల్టర్ మెయిన్ కండిషన్ కస్టమర్ స్ట్రీట్. So if you want to analyze the same way our data frame, let's ఇక్కడ నేను కండిషన్ ఏం తీసుకుంటాను, ఇక్కడ ఏముంది డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ వేర్ ద నేమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మ్యాక్లైన్ అనే కండిషన్ పెట్టి అనలైజ్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటే ఆబ్వియస్లీ యాజ్ ఫర్ ద డిఎస్ఎల్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్ ద ఫిల్టర్ ఫంక్షన్. సో ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి ఫిల్టర్ ఫంక్షన్, రైట్? ఇక్కడ విచ్ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ యూ వాంట్ టు అనలైజ్, my data frame is right. What is my data frame name? My df. Yes, my df is my data frame. So my df, I want to analyze my data frame with a filter. You want to apply the condition on the data frame to retrieve the data. What is the data frame you are applying condition? My df. What is the column name you want to take it? I want to take that name column. Why? I want to retrieve the data where the name is equal to, right, pit alex ane customer name to condition పెట్టుకున్నాను. Then I will mention that value in the single quotations like this. You can mention that. Okay guys, so then the DSL, it is not a pure SQL query language. SQL query language ఇంకా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, right? So let's run it. You want to verify the output only before saving the output into another data frame? Yes. If you want to see the output of this query, show function you can use. Okay, then run this query. Then see that now I got it. Who is that? Right data frame here, my data frame name, where name is equal to pit alex. I want all his details. See that now? His salesman ID, name, city, commission, all I got it. Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And guys,
Yes, sir.
allow me to create the data frames for the rating CSV file, create the data frames for the movies.csv file, create it, movies.csv file data frame create చేయండి, ratings.csv file data frame create చేయండి.
Okay, sir.
Okay sir, create చేస్తాను. This guy has created data frame with the rating CSV. Movies.csv
Yes, sir.
with headers with me column names in the data frame. Header true, info schema true, right? Movies lo column names ఉన్నాయి.
Yes,
Ratings
sir.
లో column names ఉన్నాయి కదా.
Yes, sir. వచ్చినాయి సార్ మూవీస్, మూవీ ఐడి, టైటిల్, జీన్, ఈ కాలమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి వచ్చినాయి.
ఓకే.
రేటింగ్స్ కూడా సేమ్ 3 కాలమ్స్. Yes, 4 కాలమ్స్.
ఓకే. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి? జేసన్ ఫైల్ కూడా అలా అనలైజ్ చేయండి. ఫిల్టర్ అప్లై చేసి ఇక్కడ 2 కాలమ్స్ రెడీ చేయడం, సింగిల్ కాలమ్ రెడీ చేయడం, జేసన్ ఫైల్ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ కూడా చేయండి.
Okay.
ఓకే సార్.